Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the theme in Google Drive. Whether you prefer light mode or dark mode, we will walk you through the simple steps to customize your Drive the way you like it. Let's get started. When you are on your Google Drive dashboard, go to the upper right corner. We need to click the gear button to open settings. Let's click that now. Next, we will go to Settings. Here, you can choose from 3 appearance options: light, dark, or device default. Right now, we are on light mode, but we will switch it to dark. Once you select dark mode, it will automatically save as your default. When we click back and return to the Google Drive dashboard, it is now in dark mode. It is that simple to change the theme to match your preference. That's it. We have successfully changed the Google Drive theme. Now you can enjoy a look that feels more comfortable and personalized for your workspace.